Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. Thank you. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your general love reading for the month of April 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner and I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here, Aquarius. So let's see what are the messages for the month of April for Aquarius. Let's start your reading, but while before starting your reading, I can give you a message here that while doing your meditation, I was getting the card of 10 of Pentacles again and again. Lot of abundance, prosperity, reunions are coming for you, Aquarius. I have already uploaded your general reading. You can have a look on that too. They were having that lot of abundance is coming for you. This is a card of abundant of everything, and this was coming again and again while doing meditation. Okay, so now let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. Let's see what are the messages for the Aquarius for the month of April. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for the Aquarius love general reading for the month of April 2021. Please give me the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius April 2021? Give me the messages. What are the messages? Wow. Your reading is going to start with Ace of Cups, and this is very powerful cup, Aquarius. This is very powerful card. This is the cup which is full of emotions. Emotions are overflowing with it in the month of April. There is emotional fulfillment which is going to offer to you, Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April 2021? Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius lovers. Beautiful. Beautiful energies are here, Aquarius. Very beautiful energies. I told you many reunions. You can have a look in your general reading too. I have already uploaded it. Many of you, death card. You can be dealing with the water sign here. Eight of Wands. See, bottom of the deck I'm having King of Cups here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. That can be a possibility here. This is death and rebirth, transformation. Okay, lot of communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, lot of things are coming towards you, and this is also a Scorpio card, and this is also a water sign. Usually I don't mention signs in my reading. Signs can be anyone. Okay, and this is a Gemini card here, the lovers, but signs can be anyone. Okay, signs can be anyone. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April 2021. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. What are the messages which I need to deliver? What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Wow. Three of Cups. Celebration. Okay, let me see more. Wow, Aquarius. Two aces in your reading. Ace of Pentacles. Some kind of stable committed offer is coming towards you. Wheel of Fortune, Chariot, Six of Pentacles. Beautiful, very beautiful and very powerful reading is here again. Let me see more. Any other message for Aquarius April 2021? Give me the messages. Wow. The moon, There is Ace of Wands. Wow, Aquarius, this is three aces coming in your reading. Wow, beautiful, 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 beautiful reading. I can say that. Right now, maybe you are having some kind of confusions. You are not having any kind of clarity. And bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Cups here. There is someone who is going to give you Ace of Wands. Lot of cards. No. What are the messages for Aquarius? April love reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Any other message? Okay. Five of Swords and Two of Pentacles. So someone is juggling here between two situations, two persons. Okay, let me see more. Any other message for Aquarius love reading for the month of April, which I need to deliver? Give me the messages which I need to deliver here. Any other message? The Fool. Beautiful. Lot of major arcana is here again. Empress, Ten of Cups. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Someone wants to make a family with you, Aquarius. Someone wants to build an empire with you. Someone wants to get married to you. And they are seeing you as an empress. They want to take a leap of faith with you, Aquarius. The Fool is here. Any other message for Aquarius? See, love offer is coming towards you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Wands here. Okay. And these two fallen out. Ten of Wands and Page of Wands. Someone is releasing all the burdens which they were carrying it here, and someone is coming towards you with a love offer here. Lot of love is coming towards you here. Then I'm not going to take these cards, but I want to show it here to you. So now let's start your reading. Let's see. There is someone here, Aquarius, who wants to offer you a cup which is full of emotions here. This is your love here. The Lovers is here. Okay. This is someone who wants to give you emotional fulfillment. All emotions they want to give you. Lot of love they want to give you here, Aquarius. Okay. So then there is death and rebirth, and there is Eight of Wands. So whatever situation was there in the past, that situation is going to end here. The transformation is taking place. New cycle is going to start for you. A new beginning is going to start for you. Lot of communication is coming towards you from this person, and there is some kind of celebration which is happening here, Aquarius. Lot of celebration, collaboration is happening here with this person. Okay, of course, after receiving this love offer, you will feel very happy because you are waiting for this offer for a long period of time. I do not know why I say that, but maybe you are waiting for this. So now you are going to receive your emotional fulfillment here, because this is the emotional fulfillment card here. Then there is Ace of Pentacle here, Aquarius. Someone wants to offer you a stable, committed offer here. Pentacle resembles money, but I'm doing your love reading, so take according to your situation. Maybe you will receive some financial opportunity, maybe your money opportunity, a new job, or a business proposal. But here I can say, because I'm doing your love reading, so you are going to receive some kind of stable, committed offer. Okay, commitment in your relationship. Someone wants to give you a commitment in your relationship here. Right now maybe you cannot see here with the moon energy. Maybe you are thinking that this person is not going to give you commitment or something like that, because you're having confusion with the moon energy. But you ignite the passion in them here, Aquarius. Ace of Wands. They are very passionate towards you, because you ignite the passion in them, you give them lot of passion here. So yes, maybe with this person you were having lot of conflicts with the five of swords here, a lot of fighting, conflicts, and because of that, either this is your energy or this is them energy, but I'm finding this is your partner's energy. They are juggling between two situations, or this is your energy here, Aquarius. This is your energy. 1 minute, I need to clarify this. In the extended, I'm going to clarify all the energies, but here I'm getting that this is your energy. Maybe after receiving these offers, you will feel confused that whether I have to accept this or whether I don't have to accept this. Okay, that's why you are juggling a lot here, that whether I want to accept this or not, but you are going to take a leap of faith and you will move in a forward direction. The Fool card is here. So you are going to take a leap of faith and move in the forward direction here. Let me read it out. I just cut it out and Queen of Wands is here again. Okay, let me see why there is Two of Pentacles. Please clarify me. Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles? Sorry. Two of Pentacles. Okay. Clarify me Two of Pentacles. Why there is Two of Pentacles here? Please help me out to clarify why there is Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Swords, Page of Swords, and Three of Cups again. Okay, maybe because of the third party situation and you know this truth. Maybe there was a third party situation which was involved in your situation. 1144 was the recording reading time. Okay. Maybe in the past they put you in a third party situation, but they are keeping in tabs on you, or you were keeping tabs on them. You were spying on them here. And you already know this truth here. Queen of Swords. That's why you are juggling a lot here, Aquarius, because you know this truth that they put you in a third party situation, and because of this situation you spend so much sleepless nights here. That's why you are juggling here. Okay, no worries. In the extended, I'm going to take these cards here, Aquarius, but someone wants to move in a forward direction. Someone wants to take a leap of faith with you here, Aquarius, with the Fool card. Someone wants to give you beautiful Ace of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. This offer, there are three offers: Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups. This offer can be from the one person, okay, and they can be the two persons here too, but in the extended I'm going to see. But you are not, you here, can you see? Bottom of the deck I'm having Empress. This is your energy. You are having confusion, you are not clear about your own emotions here, Aquarius, but use your intuitions. Use your intuitions, because your intuition will guide you properly. Okay, let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune, this is your good karma which is moving. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. You are getting your good karma back. Bottom of the deck I'm having Fool again. Just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. 1331 was the recording reading time. What are the messages for Aquarius? Judgment. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages which I need to deliver? Give me the messages. Wow, Judgment and Justice both are here. So either you're making a judgment for your life, or the divine is making this is justice. This is a karmic justice which is being served in your case here, Aquarius. There is judgment, justice, and here I'm having the Star. This is you. Star belongs to you, Aquarius. New hopes, new desires are coming for you. Justice is being served in your case. Any other message? Wow. Wow. Lovers and the Sun. Sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck, Aquarius. Okay, in your love life, the new happy beginnings are going to start here. Okay, Whatever was there in the past, that is going to end here. That's why the death card is here, and there is a new happy beginnings which are going to start here, Aquarius. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. New happy beginnings are going to start here in your love life. Thank you for giving the messages. This is very powerful reading. 3 aces in your reading after a long period of time. Just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction here, Aquarius. And in the extended, I'm going to see why there is these cards here. So let's add some message from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. Forgiveness was there while shuffling. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages? Completion, mysticism, and service. Okay. What are the messages? Passion. Work on your passion, Aquarius. I always tell you this. Acceptance. Any other message for Aquarius? Recovery. Beautiful. Not going to take these cards. Okay, they're asking me to stop. See. Release. In your general reading also, I give this message that you need to release something on which you are still holding on, Aquarius. There is something on which you are still clinging on. Release anything on which you are still holding on. There is something which don't serve your highest good here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having renewal. Beautiful. This is what the reading is. Renewal of love, renewal of everything is going to happen in your life, Aquarius. So yes, beautiful thing is happening because you need to release anything which don't serve your highest good. You need to release anything which don't serve your highest good. This is a very important message for you. That's why I'm telling you again and again. In your general reading also, I told you this, that let go anything which don't serve your highest good. There is something which you need to release, because once you release this thing, there is renewal which is coming for you, Aquarius. There is passion and there is acceptance. You need to accept the things however it is there. Acceptance is required here. And they work on your passion here, Aquarius. Work on your passion. You are full of passions here. You need to work on your passions. Use your creativity. Work on your passions. Then there is recovery here, Aquarius. You will recover everything, whatever you have lost. There is a recovery which is going to happen in your life again. See, renewal and recovery was here. Can you see the divine is with you, Aquarius? There is a key which the divine is trying to give you back, because you are completing here. Completion is here. So you're completing some kind of cycle which is completed now. There is a new beginning of cycle, a new cycle which is going to begin. You will receive a recovery of the key which you required here. Then there is mysticism and there is service here. So many of you can be you are intuitive, I told you always. So use your intuitions. I told you this too, Aquarius. You can be a tarot reader, you can be a healers. So use your intuitive powers here, Aquarius. And there is a service card here. So this is a card which tells me that whatever service you provide in your life, this is the blessings which are coming back towards you. The service which you give towards your elder ones which has already passed away from your family, like your grandfather, your grandmother, okay, whatever they are, your father, mother, whatever they are, in your elders who has already passed away. You are going to get the blessings of them because you have given the service to them here, Aquarius. So you are going to receive the blessings from them basically. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages. Let's add one message from the activation oracle. Okay, what is the message for Aquarius? Magic. The frequency of magic supports our instinct ability to grow and expand beyond this movement, to move towards possibility and expression that are as grand and profound as we can imagine. All that is required is our belief in the manifestation. So believe in your manifestation. Whatever you are manifesting, that is going to manifest in your life according to the divine timing, but that will manifest for sure. But you need to believe in the magic, and that was the same message in your general reading also, that you have to believe in the magic here, Aquarius. So thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the yogic path. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Give me the message. Okay. Ahimsa, Niyam and Durga. Let me read it out. This is Ahimsa, which says non-violence. You have been observed of how your thoughts affects your action and how your actions reflect the quality of your life. Through actively changing your internal monologue, you are manifesting a heightened state of consciousness and a new paradigm. Continue to fine-tune your inner language to radiate compassion, joy and peace. Even the most disciplined yogis still often look in the mirror and think negative thoughts about themselves, get frustrated when stuck in traffic, or speak words to the loved ones that don't radiate pure love. These moments are your guru reminding you of where you still needs to grow. Overcoming your triggers facilitates growth. Each time you feel the voice of negativity come through, sing back to it words of ahimsa, compassion. You will quickly find these words echoed back by your all you counter. So you will have to find out your non-violence. Still you have to speak positive words inside your soul to Aquarius. Beautiful message which is here for you. Let me read it out. Niyam. The niyamas. This is the 8th stage of yoga, laws of personal observance. You are beginning to reap the rewards of inner transformation work you have done. This is just the beginning of lifelong practice of personal observance. Tune in what your soul needs at this moment. Are these toxins in your body, mind and that needs source purity? Are you experiencing contentment, santosh for all the blessings you have been given? Are you using your tapas, the discipline energy, to take towards your dharma, divine purpose? Continue the practice of swadhyaya, self-study. There is always more than you will find when you open up the pathway to your true spirit. Take some extra time for yourself each day to practice Ishwar Pranidhana, the celebration and completion of spirit. Beautiful message. Then there is Durga here. This is the goddess of inner strength and protection. You are exhibiting great strength in the face of things that would make others, including former versions of yourself, crumble. Durga, the warrior goddess, is with you, carrying her bow and arrow, sword, trident, lotus, thunderbolt, golden discus, and couch. You are embodying her fierce strength and loving protection. You have overcome major hardships with your willpower and will continue to leap over any challenges that confront you. Call upon Durga Ma whenever you need an extra ounce of strength. Beautiful, very powerful here, Aquarius. You are getting the blessings of Durga Mata because you have overcome all the obstacles. Whatever obstacles was there, you have shown a great strength to overcome all the powers which you are facing in your life. So this was the reading for the month of April. Let's add some of the zodiac signs which you may be dealing with, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see what are the signs which Aquarius dealing with. There is Sagittarius, there is Scorpio, Aries, Aquarius, Capricorn, Taurus, Gemini, Leo. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, the Leo is here, Gemini, okay, Taurus, Aquarius, then there is Capricorn and Aries, and there is Sagittarius and Scorpio. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with or you are having in your chart. So this was your love general reading for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Okay, take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you healing light, happiness and beautiful energies to all my Aquarius whoever are watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.